Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program for printing pattern of uh, odd number triangle. Okay, so for doing that program, and I will write for execution also, and for writing comment and everything, I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. And if you have this application, then you can open it. Otherwise, you can open all in Java compiler for practice with me, writing with me, and execution with me, so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn these topics in a better way in one go only. Okay, so I'm going to open it. You have to open, you have to write your code on your system. Okay, so I'm going to give a name first. Odd number triangle triangle pattern printing dot java. Odd number pattern printing dot java. I'm going to import a PSVM. This is P means public static void main. We have to write these things for executive for execution of everything. Okay, now I'm going to import a scanner class for taking user input. So I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner, and then I'm going to make object for the scanner class. Scanner is equals to new scanner system.in, and then I need to write here a message to enter number of rows for the triangle. Now I'm going to take that number with the help of variable n. C dot next end. Okay, and now I'm going to write a output statement to show what the result. So odd number triangle is for end I is equals to 1, I less than n, and I plus plus, and then I'm going to initialize a variable a with 1 to print odd number from it start from 1 in each row. And now I'm going to run a nested loop to print the it is also starting from 1, and j is less than equals to I and j plus plus, and then it will print a with one space, and a will be a plus equal to 2 to for what, to next odd number, to print next, to move next odd number. We have to write, you have to increase a by 2. Okay, it is already starting from 1, and after adding 2 it will become 3. After adding 2 in 3 it will become 5. That's why we have to increase a by 2. Okay, and we are printing a means we have starting from 1 2, we are printing odd number uh, which is equal to the number of I, means the number of row. Means in first row we are printing one number 1, we in second row we are printing two number, that is 1 3, and in third row we are printing three number like 1 3 and 5. In fourth row we are printing 4 number which is equal to the number of I. see here. Okay, so now I am going to write a system.out.println to move move cursor in the next row. Okay, and now we have to do sc dot close so that we can avoid memory leak. Okay, and it's done. Now I'm going to run it. After running this program, I will write comment so that you will be able to understand everything, every line, every logics. Okay, so it is coming like yeah, it comes. uh, Enter number of rows for triangle. I'm entering 4. Okay, see, I have not removed this element, that's why problems come. It a number printing in column. If I have removed this, then it will come in row. Okay, now you will see like I'm entering 5. So see, this is the odd number triangle. In first row we have only one element. In fifth row we have 5 element. In fourth row we have 1 2 3 4, because we have not given here equal to, that's why we have only 4 row. Okay, now I have given equal to means I should be less than, and equal to means number is 5, then it will print 5 row. If I am giving here 5, then it has to be print 5 row. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, now I'm going to write the comment so that you can understand each lines. I have taken a scanner class to take to take user input. Okay, and this is the object. This is the what file name. Why it is not running? Okay, this is file name where our code is going to save. Okay, it is coming, don't worry, going to save. Okay, this is the main method. This is the main method where code is going start, where code start to execute. Okay, it starts to execute. Okay, and this is the object creation for scanner class to take user input. Oh my god, it is not writing with the same speed, but it will write. See, it has right object creation for the scanner class to take user input. Okay, and this one is, it is a message to read the user what he has to he has to be enter. Okay, and here we are take storing store the user desired desired row, the triangle. Okay, and this one is printing printing one message on this is on is printing result message for user. Okay, and this is the outer outer loop which controls number of rows in the triangle. Okay, and I have initialize the variable a with 1, so we can print number we can print odd number in each row by just increase by increasing by 2. Okay, and this is the inner loop which is printing number in each row equal to the I. This is printing current odd number with one space. Okay, and this is increasing 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 variable a by 2 to move on next odd number. Okay, and this one is this statement is doing what? It's move cursor the next column sorry next row after printing number in row. Okay, and this is the closing of scanner class to avoid memory leak. Okay, leaks. Okay, now I have write code, I have execute the code, I have write comment. Now I hope you are able to understand this code, this logics, and this program. This is my kindly request to you all. You do dry run with yourself so that you can modify the problem, you can get the logics, you can make the logics. Okay, and now I'm going to run it again. Okay, and after that I will close it. Okay, so you see, I'm going to enter here the number of rows is 7. You see, this is the odd number triangle. Okay, so we will meet in another video. Till then you have to learn. Okay, and you have to do practice. Thank you, have a nice day.